A lump of feather right on the window. That little birdie just hit. Let's have a look and see how is he doing. This is not going to be easy. Oh my god, I can't wait until I'm done with all this shit. Oh. Here, birdie, how are you doing? Oh, this is not on your side. Huh? Are you okay? He's still warm. Got a concussion, it seems. I'll take him inside. We'll see. So I think I just put you. I don't have a place for you. I'll just put you here, until I can climb back. Oh, let's see. Ooga booga. Ugh. This is day for work. Did you die, buddy? Did you die? Are you okay? It feels warm, but yeah, he hit his head straight in. There's just a bunch of fur on the. I'll take him inside just so, in case he's just unconscious, maybe he can recover. My cat is prowling around, so otherwise, if I leave him, he's dead.